Ever wondered if animals sleep like us? Well, get ready to be surprised. From strange positions to bizarre routines, animals have some of the wildest sleep habits around. Dolphins have mastered the art of staying awake and asleep at the same time. They let only half of their brain rest while the other half stays alert. This allows them to keep swimming, come up for air, and stay on the lookout for predators, even while sleeping. Imagine sleeping with only one eye closed. Whales are similar to dolphins. They can't afford to fully sleep underwater since they need to surface for air. So they, too, rest one hemisphere of their brain at a time. It's a fascinating adaptation that lets them take quick naps without ever stopping. Elephants, the giants of the animal kingdom, actually sleep very little. They get around 2 hours of sleep a night and usually do it standing up. Every few days, though, they'll lie down for a deeper sleep. This balance keeps them ready to face any threats while still getting the rest they need. Giraffes are light sleepers in the extreme. They only sleep for about 5 minutes at a time, often standing, and sometimes they can go days with just a few short naps. When they need a longer rest, they'll lie down and tuck their long necks back, but this is rare. They're always alert and ready to get up and move. Swallows and some other migratory birds take sleeping to new heights. During long migrations, they can actually sleep while flying. They rest one side of their brain while the other side keeps them gliding through the air, helping them stay on course even while dozing off. Owls, especially young ones, have a unique sleep position. Because their bodies aren't strong enough to hold up their heads, they sleep face down, lying on a branch or the ground. It's an adorable and somewhat awkward pose, as if they're fully sprawled out for a nap. Albatrosses have a unique way of resting. Known for their long flights over the ocean, they can actually nap while gliding. They only land to breed, so their ability to catch brief naps mid-flight helps them cover vast distances with minimal breaks. Octopuses might be the most mesmerizing sleepers. When they rest, they often change colors, which scientists think may indicate they're dreaming. Their shifting hues might reflect different dream stages, a unique phenomenon that's still being studied. Parrotfish have a crafty way to stay safe while they sleep. They produce a special mucus cocoon around themselves, masking their scent from predators. It's like a sleeping bag that keeps them safe in coral reefs, allowing them to rest without worry. Horses often sleep standing up, thanks to a special stay apparatus in their legs that keeps them from falling over. But when they need a deeper sleep, they'll lie down, only if they feel completely secure. This ability to rest while standing is a clever adaptation for a quick escape if needed. Meerkats have one of the coziest sleeping arrangements. They huddle together in their burrows, with some meerkats standing guard. This social setup keeps them warm and safe, ready to sound the alarm if danger approaches. Penguins in Antarctica deal with extreme cold by sleeping in short bursts. They huddle in large groups, taking turns on the outer edges to keep each other warm. Those in the middle get to sleep more deeply, while those on the outside keep watch and take quick naps. Pigeons are light sleepers, often resting with one eye open. This allows them to quickly snap out of sleep if a threat approaches. It's an impressive adaptation that keeps them safe while still getting some rest. Walruses are flexible sleepers. They can go without sleep for up to 84 hours while swimming or hunting. But once they're on land, they make up for lost time by sleeping deeply for up to 19 hours, letting them recharge after long periods of activity. Lions, known for their power, are also master sleepers. African lions sleep up to 20 hours a day, conserving their energy for hunting and defending their pride. They lounge in the shade, snoozing until it's time to hunt. Bees have a surprising sleep habit. Worker bees rest in short, irregular bursts, using sleep to help strengthen their memory, which they need to remember the best flowers and pollen sources. Koalas are some of the world's sleepiest creatures, resting up to 22 hours a day. Their diet of eucalyptus leaves requires a lot of energy to digest, so they conserve what little energy they have by sleeping most of the day. Snakes sleep in a way that might seem eerie to us. Since they lack eyelids, they sleep with their eyes open, staying completely still. They coil up in a safe spot, relying on their stillness to blend into their surroundings while they rest. Sea turtles have adapted to sleep underwater by wedging themselves between rocks to avoid drifting with currents. As we've seen, from bats snoozing the day away to dolphins half awake, animals have some truly fascinating ways to sleep. These habits are just as diverse as the animals themselves, showcasing the incredible adaptability of nature. Next time you're lying down to sleep, remember, animals have some pretty wild ways of catching their Z's too.